These are the elevators here. Building 2 at Universal's Endless Summer Resort Surfside Inn in Orlando on iDrive. Got some brand new KONE elevators. I'm not too thrilled about this, but I'll give them a chance though. That one.
Going up.
Alright. Cabs are a little basic and could use more decoration, but this looks nice. This is elevator 5. See the highest we can go. 5, 4. Oh, this is totally locked. Well, at least we can kind of get a look at them. I'll get a little cab view just, you know, because, yeah, I'll get a little cab view just in case someone needs to use it soon. Yeah, KSS 570. This actually doesn't feel too poorly built. Oh, crap. We're going up.
3rd floor.
I don't know if it just parks here or if someone called it.
Going down.
Going down?
Yeah.
First floor.
I'll let you out.
Going up.
No problem. It's not gonna let me up. But let's see if it goes anywhere. Nope. Oh well, I tried. At least I got a little ride. Actually, it doesn't seem too bad for being a KONE, actually. Still by no means the highest quality product, but for KONE, I'm actually gonna give them credit for that. Anyways, here we are in the lobby where they have a very nice Christmas tree, because this is Christmas time. And that's gonna be it.